Hello everyone. Welcome back to KavuCreative. In today's session, we will create a new design using simple shapes. In this tutorial, we will design a geometric star using Adobe Illustrator. Let's create something new. Select the Artboard tool. Just double-click it in the toolbar. Then, go to the Display panel and turn on the Show Center Mark checkbox. When you're done, click OK. We only need the stroke, so turn off the fill. Select Rectangular Grid tool from Toolbar. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Set both the width and height to 300 pixels and set both horizontal and vertical dividers to 9 and press OK. Select Pen tool from Toolbar. Draw the shape step by step. Follow the guidelines. Select All and select Shape Builder tool. Swap Stroke to fill. While merging, the Shape Builder shows a plus sign. Hold Alt key to subtract shapes. It shows a minus sign. Right-click and select Ungroup. Now select all, hold Shift, and click on the area we want. Then, press Delete key. Change the color, one by one, using Eyedropper tool. By holding the Control key, the eyedropper temporarily switches to the Selection tool. Select all. Now, select the Rotate tool. Hold the Alt key, and left-click on the center. Enter an angle as 90 degrees, and click Copy. Now press Ctrl+D 2 times to make a copy of it. Now, select all. Right-click and choose Group. Beautiful work. Keep refining it, the artwork is looking fantastic. If this helped, tap the like button. Subscribe to stay updated with KavuCreative. Small improvements create big progress. Thank you for being here.